Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas of Kings. We will start by exploring the main dashboard and understanding its layout. Then, we will dive into the essential tools you need to begin creating your masterpieces. Finally, I will show you how to save your work and share it with friends or collaborators. This guide will help you get started quickly and confidently. Navigating Canvas of Kings is straightforward. Your main dashboard provides a clear overview of all your saved projects, making it easy to pick up where you left off. You can find important settings and preferences conveniently located in the top menu bar. The intuitive sidebar offers quick access to all your essential tools, while zooming in and out is simple with your mouse wheel for precise control. The core of Canvas of Kings lies in its powerful creation tools. You can choose from over 50 unique brushes, each offering distinct textures and effects for your artwork. Easily adjust your brush size, ranging from a fine 1 pixel to a broad 100 pixels, for detailed or sweeping strokes. The comprehensive color palette provides millions of options, and layering elements allows for truly complex and dynamic designs. Once your creation is complete, saving and sharing it is simple. You can save your project in 3 different file formats, ensuring compatibility for various uses. Export high-resolution images, up to 4,000 pixels, perfect for printing or digital display. Share your work directly to popular social platforms with just a few clicks, or invite up to 5 other users to collaborate on your projects in real time, fostering teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.